mukuru w'ishomereri Emmanuel Chomya atumanyise ngo abina mushanjwe biga hishomereri ebina binabyonka nibyo byine byombeko by'umurembe.
Mu kitebe cyo kubanza lina abana 93, kitebe cya kabiri lina abana 92, kitebe cya kana lina abana 84 na klase zini ko kuntazina hano toto y'abana 5 n'umwe. Kandi ebitebe bitwina classrooms tibisobora kwikaliza abana abo bitayito.
Chomya atsigire tshani ecabana batineho kushomera embere yibar kushomeramo
ekimazire myaka na ikikuko hatiye mitansi yejunziri niwe no kirori cyumbe kukibona kiri musore state norora kirahiko even no cyahukanizamu bakatwakoze simbaho umwana w'ikitebe cya 5 nahure biri mu P1 kwa baliyoni basoma
abazira bakizuru gwingi tubakusasura sente rusanga tukorora abana mu klaso barabari makumyana klasi 3 ziriza zaire no bakusasura abasomesa hati baka abana bakusasura bakizuru gwingi banyaga.
Ishomereri n'abana 5 n'umwe bitu n'abashomesa bonka tabarukumara
hati nosanga twina abana abasomesa musanju kandi inamba y'abana tukoba twina ni hingura hayo abana abasomesa musanju itunkwita abazire tukitira abasomesa baitu basatu baitu twabitira ntubesa sura.
Abana bengi bari mukuruga mu masomero bari mukuruga mu isomero habwirizibwe bari kusanga isomero abasomesa tubaina hukubyama usaburaru musomesa na 40 km musanju ukuyija ukwegesa isomero kumwana yaruga mu isomero atamalirize abukuba nabakumwegesa nabo tebateka ine
okwenda kugarura imbere mu nteko Dorine Nyanjura oyesimbira bwa MP bwa Mwenge Central aikira ishomereri hamwe n'empabwe kurugo mu ihanga rya Itare.
But they have been doing work helping some schools in Kampala, they are helping some schools in Luero, they are helping even schools in Tanzania. And before they came here they were in Kasese. They are also helping some schools in Kasese.
Bwanyuma yo kureba imbere y'abana bari kushomeramo Nyanjura hamwe n'abakuraba bashabire mukuru w'ishomereri okubasa kubahandikira mu butongore ngo ko babombekere bizimbe hamwe n'ebinde birukwetagisa.
Kindly prepare a proposal, look at the key priorities so that our school is also able to benefit just like the other schools have benefited.
Try to do our best to do what we can in the different places where we go. Okay, so you should prepare maybe a list of priority and projects.
Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana, Umurchenjojo District.